Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you about all the 5th generation fighter jets currently under development. Note that the US-made F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning, and Chinese-made J-20 fighter jets which are already in service are not included. In addition to this, the Russian-made Su-57 and Chinese-made Shenyang FC-31, which are going to induct in service shortly, are also not included. So let's… Number 5. Project Azam, Pakistan. On 7 July 2017, the Pakistani Air Force announced Project Azam to develop a 5th generation fighter. According to Asia Times, China is rumored to be considering the sharing of Chengdu J-20 technology with allies such as Pakistan. Little public information exists about the project. As of now, there are no official statements about the current stage of development. Number 4. Mitsubishi X2 Japan. At the beginning of the 21st century, Japan, seeking to replace its aging fleet of fighter aircraft, began making overtures to the United States on the topic of purchasing several Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor fighters. However, the U.S. Congress had banned the exporting of the aircraft in order to safeguard secrets of the aircraft's technology, such as its extensive use of stealth. This rejection necessitated Japan to develop its own modern fighter, to be equipped with stealth features and other advanced systems. The X2 prototype was officially unveiled on 29 January 2016. The X2 made its maiden flight on 22 April 2016. By July 2018, Japan had gleaned sufficient information from flight tests for a determination, and decided that it would need to bring on board international partners to complete this project. Several companies have responded, including Lockheed Martin, BAE Systems, and Northrop Grumman. Number 3. KFX South Korea Indonesia. The KFX, also known as IAIFX in Indonesia, is a joint South Korean and Indonesian fighter aircraft development program, intending to develop an advanced multi-role fighter for the Republic of Korea Air Force and Indonesian Air Force. The program is spearheaded by South Korea, holding 80% of shares, and was joined by Indonesia in 2010 for the remaining 20% of the shares. The first flight is scheduled to occur in 2023 and 2024. Number 2. Thai TFX Turkey. The TFX is a proposed twin-engine all-weather air superiority fighter being developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries or TAI, with technical assistance from BAE Systems. The aircraft is planned to replace F-16 Fighting Falcons of the Turkish Air Force and to be exported to foreign air forces. The Turkish Ministry of National Defense has confirmed that the TFX aircraft is going to fly by 2025. Number 1. HAL India. India is independently developing a twin-engine 5th-generation super-maneuverable stealth multi-role fighter called the HAL Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft or AMCA. Unofficial design work on the AMCA began in 2008, while official work started in 2011 and finished in 2014. The first flight is scheduled to occur in 2023 and 2024. It combines super cruise, stealth, advanced AESA radar, super maneuverability, and advanced avionics to overcome and suppress previous generation fighter aircraft, along with many ground and maritime defenses. Thanks for watching.